So I have a 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor rear windshield wiper that needs to be removed. And it looks kind of complicated. It's really not. This one's a little worn out, so we're going to replace it with a Bosch wiper. So the only thing you have to do, and it's pretty simple, it looks more complicated than it is. There's a little tab right here. Really all you have to do is flex this back. So I'll show you. So you just kind of pull your wiper up. You just give it a little push. It almost looks like you're breaking it, but you're really not. Kind of just pops off like that. You can see those tabs right there. There's like a little hook right here, and this is the tabs that kind of fit right behind that. So that's that. And you're going to take your new wiper, same direction, and you take it and put it on the same way you took it off. Just kind of put it at an angle like that, get it on the hook, and just snaps in place. And that's how you change a 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor all the way up to a 2011 Mitsubishi Endeavor.